Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am your teacher, Mr. Bughio. I am today with you with a new topic, that is Abu Ben Adhem. But before we move to new topic, Abu Ben Adhem, let's discuss what famous personalities of the world say. There's one quotation of the Mahatma Gandhi. He said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." If you want to find yourself, try to serve the human being. Another best quotation of one of the writer has said, "The love is in your heart, which is given by God, so give it to others." If you want to make God happy, try to make His subject happy. The poem which we are discussing today is about one of the religious-minded, a God-fearing man. The moral of the poem means, it tells that it conducts the idea that we should love humanity and care for people. Means if you want to get love from God, love the both. If you want that God should love you, then try to love His creatures. This is the only service. If you do, you will be successful. Now, Abu Ben Adhem is a poem written by Sir James Henry Leigh Hunt. He was born in 1784. He was a religious man educated at Christ's Hospital. He then became the editor and the writer of a newspaper called The Examiner. This gentleman, his early poems are the story of the Remini, the Adhem. The earliest poem he wrote were published when he was in school. In English literature, Leigh Hunt is known for his achievements as an editor, a critic, and an essayist, and not so much as a poet. As a poet, he was not that much famous, as he was famous as a critic, as an essayist, or as an editor of the newspaper. The poem which is under discussion is the poem which has been written by James Henry Leigh Hunt. In this poem, the poet says that Abu Ben Adhem was a pious man. He was basically a God-fearing man. He was the leader of his tribe. He was very kind and gentle to his people. One night, he woke up from a sound sleep. As he woke up, he found a straight light in his room. An angel was writing something in a book of gold. In a golden book. Abu picked up a courage and asked the angel what he was writing. The angel replied that he was writing the names of those persons who loved the Lord. Abu asked him if his name was there. The angel replied in a negative. Abu did not lose his heart and asked the angel to write his name as a person who loved his fellow men. The angel did so and went away. Next night, the angel came again and showed Abu names of those persons whom God had blessed. Abu was very much surprised and overjoyed to see his name, which was on the top of the list. This was all about the theme of the poem, Abu Ben Adhem. The message of the poem is that if you want to win the heart, if you want to win the love of God, you have to love His creature.